Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. If you're running an online store, tracking your customer behavior is not optional, it's essential. Connecting a Facebook Pixel to your Shopify store allows you to track visitors, measure conversions, and run highly targeted ads that actually convert. Without it, you're basically guessing what's working and what's not. The good news is that Shopify makes this process much easier through its official integration with Meta, so you don't need to manually install any code. To begin, open your browser and log into your Shopify store on Shopify. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Apps and Sales Channels. Now, click on Shopify App Store. Inside the App Store, go to the search bar and type Facebook. From the search results, select Facebook and Instagram by Meta. This is the official integration app provided by Meta. Click on the app, then select Install. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, the app will prompt you to begin setup. Click on Get Started. The first step is to connect your Facebook account. Click on Connect Account. You'll be redirected to log into your Facebook account. After logging in, allow all the necessary permissions. This step is important because it gives Shopify access to your ad account, Pixel, and business tools. Next, you'll be asked to connect your business portfolio, also known as Meta Business Manager. Select your existing business account or create a new one if needed. This is where your Pixel and ad data will be managed. Now you'll see an option for data sharing settings. Enable this option and choose the appropriate level, usually maximum for best tracking. Then click Save. This ensures your Pixel collects the most useful data for ads and analytics. Next, you'll be asked to connect your Facebook Pixel. You have two options: select an existing Pixel or create a new one. Choose the option that fits your setup. If you're new, creating a new Pixel is the easiest option. After selecting your Pixel, continue through the setup process. You'll be asked to review your configuration, accept terms and conditions. Once everything is confirmed, click Submit. Your Facebook Pixel is now connected to your Shopify store. Using Shopify together with Facebook and Instagram by Meta allows you to track user behavior and optimize your ads effectively. To summarize, connecting Facebook Pixel to Shopify involves going to Settings, opening the Shopify App Store, installing the Facebook and Instagram by Meta app, connecting your Facebook account and business portfolio, enabling data sharing, and selecting or creating your Pixel. Once completed, your store will start tracking visitor data automatically. And that's how to connect your Facebook Pixel to Shopify. This is one of the most important setups you can do if you're planning to run ads or scale your store. Without proper tracking, you're basically operating blind. But once your Pixel is connected, you can start making data-driven decisions that actually improve your results. As you move forward, you can use this data to create better audiences, retarget visitors, and optimize your campaigns for conversions. Don't just stop at setup. Make sure to regularly check your analytics and refine your strategy based on what the data tells you. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.